Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with a Zoom tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a new meeting on Zoom, how you can even schedule a meeting ahead of you on Zoom, and then let your friends join when the time is due. So you can do this on your mobile phone using the Zoom app, and you can also do it with your web app on PCs and laptops online, something like that. So the procedure is quite similar. You just need to follow and you're going to get that. Their interface is the same on a mobile phone and on a PC. So to create a meeting, all you need to do is you tap on the schedule here because you want to create a meeting for the future. So here we choose our date we want the meeting to go on. So we choose Wednesday, which is 12. Today is 10, so let me choose Wednesday 12. And now let me choose the time. So I'm going to choose 12 p.m. and they are saying my meeting is going to last for 40 minutes because I'm on a free version of Zoom. I think it's not needed. So you can see some of these Zoom meetings come with a time zone. Let's say if you are joining a Zoom for a school something, you see sometimes they come with a time zone. You can see La Paz, you can see Guyana, you can see all that. So let me choose London, which is 000. So London and Dublin. So I choose that. So when this Zoom meeting is being shared, you are going to see the time zone to be London 000, something like that. So if I choose America, it's going to be Eastern time and whatever. So repeat. So let's say you want to be doing this meeting over and over again. You can choose every day and it's going to be, recreating itself, something like that. But then here you're going to choose none. You want to organize this meeting for once. So I'm not going to check this. And then the passcode for your Zoom, it's being generated automatically. You can change it. Mostly you do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so that everybody can join. It's going to be very much easy for everybody. So you can enable waiting room. In this case, people can join before you even join, something like that. So it's very much important to enable it. And then let's scroll down here. So you can turn this on, host video. Your video will be on, participant video, their videos will be on as well. You can turn this off for them. If you want to see them, which is a classroom too, you can turn it on, something like that. You see all this on a PC. It's not anything complicated. This is just simple English. So you can allow your participant to join before you. You can turn it on. Before the host, you can turn it on or off. So I think let me turn it on. These are some petty things you just need to turn on. And you want to record your meeting automatically, you can also turn it on as well. And then you choose the location in which the recording will be saved to. So let's say I'm doing it on a PC, so I'm going to choose a local computer, something like that. It's going to save it on the PC, the Zoom file on a PC, something like that. So now I tap on done here. Good. And then I save it. So I need to, create. Let me do that. So it's going to save. So here I would have to invite people. You get it? So let me invite. So they're going to give me a link. That's the link for the Zoom meeting, you get it? And this is my link here. So I'll just need to add the password, which is 12345. So then I share it to anybody that I want them to join the Zoom meeting. That's it on how you can create a Zoom meeting and even share links to friends and family, something like that. Very much simple and easy. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.